Welcome to the ultimate guide to garlic. Few ingredients have shaped human civilization as profoundly as this humble bulb, beloved by chefs and healers alike for over 7,000 years. Most people know garlic only as the white bulbs in every supermarket. But the truth is that garlic is one of the most diverse ingredients on Earth, with hundreds of varieties ranging from subtle and sweet to powerfully pungent. From the giant, mild cloves of elephant garlic to the intense complexity of Rocambole, understanding the different types of garlic will open up an entirely new world of flavor in your kitchen. 1. Common white garlic. Common white garlic, also called softneck garlic, is the variety in virtually every grocery store worldwide, characterized by its white papery skin and tightly packed cloves. What makes it unique is its versatility and exceptional storage life of up to a year, making it the workhorse of commercial garlic production and the reliable foundation for most home cooks. It matters because it represents more than 90% of all garlic grown globally, with a balanced, medium pungency that works in virtually every dish. Fun fact: common white garlic has no flower stalk, which is why it is called softneck. Without this scape, the plant directs all its energy into producing large, tightly packed bulbs. 2. Purple garlic. Purple garlic is distinguished by its beautiful purple-streaked or mottled skin, both on the bulb wrappers and sometimes the individual cloves. What makes it unique is its typically more complex, slightly sweeter flavor with less of the harsh, bite-forward pungency that some people find off-putting about white garlic. It matters because purple garlic varieties are considered premium, prized by chefs who want both the beauty of the purple color and a more refined, lingering garlic flavor that is equally wonderful raw or cooked. The purple coloring comes from anthocyanin pigments, the same compounds in blueberries, and these pigments become more pronounced when grown in colder climates. 3. Rocambole garlic. Rocambole garlic is considered by many garlic enthusiasts to be the finest tasting variety, recognized by its loose, easy-to-peel wrappers and its tendency to produce distinctive double-layered bulbs. What makes it unique is its exceptional flavor complexity. Rocambole delivers a rich, full-bodied garlic taste with none of the chemical sharpness found in other varieties, finishing with a warm, lingering sweetness. It matters because Rocambole varieties are the benchmark against which all culinary garlics are measured, and they are the garlic of choice for roast garlic preparations where their creamy, non-bitter character truly shines. Pro tip: Rocambole has poor storage life of only 4 to 6 months, so use it fresh in the fall when harvested and seek it out at farmers markets during garlic season. 4. Elephant garlic. Elephant garlic, despite its name, is actually not true garlic but a close Allium relative, producing enormous bulbs that can weigh over a pound with only 3 to 5 giant cloves. What makes it unique is its remarkably mild, almost sweet, onion-like flavor that lacks the sharp garlic pungency. Many who dislike garlic discover they enjoy elephant garlic's gentle character. It matters because it offers an entry point for garlic-sensitive individuals and provides large, dramatic cloves perfect for slicing and roasting whole, where its mild sweetness transforms into a rich, buttery, caramelized flavor unlike any other garlic. Fun fact: a single elephant garlic clove can be the size of a whole common garlic bulb. 5. Black garlic. Black garlic is not naturally occurring but the result of an ancient fermentation process where whole bulbs are aged for weeks at low heat, transforming white cloves into soft, jet black cloves with a sweet, molasses-like complexity. What makes it unique is its extraordinary flavor transformation. The slow process converts sugars into complex, umami-rich compounds, giving black garlic a taste compared to roasted garlic, balsamic vinegar, tamarind, and prunes combined. It matters because black garlic has become one of the most prized ingredients in modern gastronomy, used worldwide to add depth, sweetness, and visual drama to everything from aioli to braised meats. Did you know? Black garlic was first popularized in Thailand and Japan, and it contains significantly higher antioxidants than white garlic due to the Maillard reaction compounds formed during fermentation. 6. Green garlic. Green garlic, also called spring garlic or baby garlic, is harvested young before the bulb fully matures, appearing in early spring with tender green leaves and small, not yet divided bulbs. What makes it unique is its extraordinary tenderness and mild, green, almost scallion-like character that allows the entire plant to be eaten raw with virtually no harshness or digestive concerns. It matters because green garlic represents one of the most fleeting seasonal ingredients in the garlic world, available only a few weeks in spring, offering a fresh, bright, cleansing garlic experience rather than the deep pungency of mature garlic. Pro tip: use green garlic like a scallion. Slice it thinly and use it raw in salads, as a soup garnish, or quickly stir-fried with just oil and salt. 7. Solo garlic. Solo garlic, also called single-clove garlic or monobulb garlic, is an unusual variety producing only one large clove per bulb instead of the typical cluster, looking almost like a small onion. What makes it unique is its convenience. Because it has no individual clove wrappers to peel, the entire clove can be used with minimal preparation, and its flavor is typically milder and sweeter. It matters for commercial food service and home cooks who want garlic flavor without tedious peeling, and it roasts to a particularly creamy, concentrated result since the single large clove has a higher flesh-to-skin ratio than normal bulbs. Interestingly, solo garlic is most commonly grown in China and is often the pre-peeled garlic found in produce sections. 8. Red garlic. Red garlic refers to varieties characterized by distinctive red or pink-tinged clove wrappers and includes some of the most prized and flavorful cultivars in the world. What makes it unique is the combination of striking appearance and robust, complex flavor. Red garlic varieties deliver a powerful garlic punch with rich, lingering heat and often a subtle spicy finish that garlic connoisseurs find irresistible. It matters because the red garlic category includes the legendary Anthocyanins red, the most award-winning garlic variety in American history, as well as numerous prized Italian and Mediterranean cultivars. Pro tip: when shopping for red garlic, look for firm bulbs with tight, brightly colored wrappers. Buy from farmers markets when possible, as the best red garlic rarely survives commercial shipping. 9. Creole garlic. Creole garlic encompasses varieties developed or most widely grown in the southern United States, adapted to warmer climates where most other garlic varieties struggle. What makes them unique is their tolerance for warm winters and their ability to produce high-quality bulbs in conditions that would cause other varieties to fail. It matters because Creole varieties produce exceptionally beautiful bulbs with deep red-purple coloration and a rich, bold, almost wine-like garlic flavor, highly prized in Cajun, Creole, and Latin cuisines. Interestingly, Creole garlic is a hardneck variety that produces scapes, yet the bulbs tolerate warm storage better than most other hardneck types. 10. Garlic scapes. Garlic scapes are the flowering stalk that emerges from hardneck garlic varieties in early summer, curly and tender when young, carrying small bulbils at their tips. What makes them unique is that they are a seasonal byproduct of garlic farming that has become a celebrated ingredient in its own right, with a bright, grassy, slightly garlic-forward flavor that is more herb than bulb. It matters because harvesting scapes in spring actually improves the size and quality of the garlic bulb below ground, and the scapes themselves have become a prized farmers market delicacy that chefs love for adding garlic flavor without digestive discomfort. Pro tip: use garlic scapes within a week of purchase. They are most tender when very fresh and can be grilled, pestoed, pickled, or simply chopped as a bright green, garlicky finishing element. From the common white bulbs in every kitchen to the mysterious black fermented cloves of high-end restaurants, from the giant mildness of elephant garlic to the fiery complexity of Rocambole, the world of garlic is far richer than most people imagine. Each type brings its own flavor, character, and culinary strengths, offering something for every dish and every palate. The next time you reach for garlic, consider the many varieties available and discover which types speak to you. The aromatic world of garlic awaits.